Hey guys, so we're here with Sara, Brady. We just finished the convention here for People's Rights, and we just happened to see that we were matching.
It wasn't even planned.
And then
We got a flag. Look
look
at this.
at that. And if you don't know Sara Brady, you probably do because you've seen her video. This is the mother that got arrested on a playground because she was standing on the wood chips. I mean, can you believe that? She was, the police came, they said, you need to leave, and she was like, oh, what do you mean we need to leave? Everybody else is playing basketball and this and that, and how are you gonna make my kids leave? You know, they wanna play too, and the policeman came back to her and said, hey, I've told you already you need to leave, and so they singled her out, right? Didn't they? So tell us a little bit more.
There was other moms on the playground that day, and they had told them to leave as well. And but for whatever reason, I think because I was the most inquisitive when it came to why the playground was closed, that they were like, you're the ringleader. We need to get rid of you because you're encouraging people to be here. But yeah, I for some reason was the only one that was arrested that day, despite the fact that when they wrapped the playground back up with tape, children came and ripped the tape back down and went out and played on it. Nobody else was given a citation. Nobody else was taken to jail. It was just me. So.
Right, crazy stuff. So now she's being prosecuted by the state of Idaho.
Right.
And what are the charges, Sara?
So it's trespassing, failure to depart. It carries a sentence of up to 6 months in jail and up to $1,000 fine. It is the state of Idaho that's prosecuting me. I guess that they've run out of pedophiles, murderers, and rapists, so I'm all they have left. And I am raising money for my legal fees. You can go to, there's a couple different ways you can donate. You can go to www.supportsarabrady.com. There's a PayPal link there. Or you can send me a message on my Facebook page, which is Sara Brady, or I have a personal page, which is Sara Walton Brady. I know a lot of information there, but I am selling freedom masks as a way to earn legal fees, and this is one of the freedom masks. This is just the white one, and I sell them for $5 plus a little bit of shipping if you're not local to the area. And those go to support me with legal fees or any miscellaneous fees. So I have white, I have black, I have sparkle black. This literally is like having a freedom party on your face. Right there, see?
Oh my
I mean,
gosh.
literally, it's a freedom party right here. The sparkle, the glitter. So I have black glitter and then I have white glitter. And you know, if there's a special color that you want, I can make that too. But that's all I have right on me right now. But yeah, there's a white glitter as well.
So yeah, really. I mean, she's not even asking for money for nothing. You know, you can contribute and help Sara. I'll put a link on the description to this video.
Okay.
And not only for the website, but also to the original video that was taken when you were arrested. I saw that as it happened. I couldn't believe that they were doing that. And you know, there's an interesting thing about Sara. Sara's married to a police officer, isn't it?
That's true.
Isn't that true?
Yep. Not in the same department, but I am married to a police department or a police officer.
Yeah, this woman is being abused by the state. This is unreal. Like, you know, all the citizens in the United States, but you know, we need to make a stand. And you know, if you can't put yourself in harm's way, like we all should, just go ahead and support with a little bit of money. That would be great.
I would appreciate it. And you know, you think about it, the state of Idaho, they could easily drop the charges. Like there's no victim here. I mean, what's the victim? The wood chips, right? And they have unlimited resources. And I think it's actually kind of gross for the state of Idaho to be prosecuting this case or any case like it if we basically we're going to start having problems with our economy because of all these businesses that are struggling because of being shut down because of COVID. So really, this is not something I think that the people of Idaho would want the state of Idaho to be prosecuting. They have much bigger problems to address.
It's pretty shameful. About how much money you think this legal defense is going to amount to?
Oh, well, that's an interesting question. So from start to finish, right, because there probably will be a civil rights lawsuit. I've been told anywhere from $30,000 to $40,000. Just for like the trial portion, right, which would be the criminal trial, just that section is anywhere from $10,000 to $20,000.
That is unreal.
So,
This is what they do to us.
Yeah,
they put us through their little system, you know, and chew us out, ruin us financially. and then they spit us out and
Right.
hope that we're going to be obedient to the system.
Right, and I've gone through probably about $5,000 at this point, and I've not even had a pre-trial yet.
Oh my goodness.
Next Thursday, October 15th, I believe at 3 p.m. is another attempt. This will be the third attempt at a pre-trial. So every time I show up to court, of course, it costs me however much for my lawyer to appear, whatever preparations needed, et cetera, et cetera. So it's expensive, but you know what? For me, it's worth it to defend freedom, and I really appreciate all the supporters out there. Excuse me, that have stood by my side, supported me financially, emotionally, sent cards, sent messages, because it really lifts my soul.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Sarah, for standing up for freedom, and
Thank you.
hope everything turns out well, and you don't even have to go through all this process. And some people, will dish out some money and help you.
Yeah. Well, and I would say to the state of Idaho, you need to dismiss this case.
Absolutely.
Dismiss
So
it.
let's put some pressure on too. We can make some phone calls as well.
Yeah.
Right. So
Call the office of the Attorney General, Lawrence Wasden. Yep. Yep. State of
Lauren
Idaho.
Wasden. How do you spell that?
Lawrence
Lawrence
Wasden.
Wasden.
He's the Idaho Attorney General.
Spell the last name.
Wasden.
Okay. All right. There you go. So we'll have that. I'll put the phone number down in the description as well, and hopefully everything will turn out okay for Sara and her family.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Hello,
Hi, I'm trying to reach Lauren Wasden.
this is he.
Oh, Lawrence, hi. This is Raul. Hey, good to talk to you. I just wanted to bring something up to you. It's a violation of civil rights and constitutional rights in one of our citizens in Idaho.
Yeah, I'm not sure what you're talking about.
So this is what this call is about. What we're talking about is there's a lady in let's see, I think she's in the Nampa area. Her name is Sara Brady. Are you aware of her case?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I think, as a citizen, I think it's a violation of her constitutional rights to prosecute her for trespassing on, what is it? Trespassing on a playground? Really? That's what we're going to process her for?
I'm not at liberty to talk about the case. Okay.
Gotcha.
You're welcome to your opinion.
Okay, well, I'll give you my opinion.
No.
Well, listen, don't get combative with me. I'm just.
Whoa.
No,
You're
what do you mean,
calling me
whoa,
at my
whoa?
home.
Why are you getting combative with
You're calling
me?
me at my home.
Well,
okay?
this is the number you have
You're
posted on
calling
your
me at my
website.
home. You're calling me at my home.
Aren't you a public servant, sir?
You're calling me at my home.
This is the number on your website.
I cannot discuss this with you.
Okay, don't
It's
discuss
not
it. Then
proper.
hear my opinion.
It's not proper for me to discuss this with you.
Gotcha.
Okay?
So hear my opinion
It's
then.
actually a violation of the rules of ethics, and I'm not going to discuss it with you.
You don't have to. Then listen to my opinion then. Okay?
I've listened to your opinion.
No, you haven't. I haven't given you my opinion
Thank
yet.
you very much. I appreciate it very much.
Oh,
appreciate
gotcha.
it.
You're gonna process this woman, and you're gonna put her down and fine her, maybe throw her in jail for trespassing on a playground. That's what you guys are gonna do, right?
Actually, that's not an accurate statement, but that's what.
So, what is your intention then? What are you guys gonna do with Sarah?
As I discussed with you earlier.
You guys need to be
it's
ashamed
not
of yourselves, I
can't
think.
discuss with you because it's not appropriate.
Okay, well, listen to what I have to say then, because you don't want to listen to the people, do you?
I did.
No, I haven't finished. I'm not finished. And this is the number you have on your website.
Well, I have other things I have to do.
I understand that. Me too. I would rather be making money right now instead of talking to a public official about the constitutional violations of her rights.
Well,
you guys swore an oath to uphold the Constitution, and that's where you need to stick. How about that?
Well,
Instead of getting
how
combative
about
with
the fact
me.
that I have an oath to uphold, and I will uphold that oath.
All right, I hope so. We're going to see the results of this here soon, won't we?
Does not mean that I'm violating my oath.
Okay, well,
And
we'll
I will
see.
do my job as I'm supposed to do it. This is not an appropriate conversation, okay? So I appreciate your call. I understand your viewpoint. I recognize what you have to say, but calling me up and harassing me at
I'm
home
not
is
harassing you. I just wanted to have a
whoa, whoa,
conversation
whoa, whoa.
with you.
Yes, you are, sir.
No,
You're
I'm not.
interfering on my
Oh,
personal
yeah.
home, and this is my home.
This is your
Okay?
phone number on your website. Did you hear that? I've said that 4 times. It's on your
I'm
website.
fully aware of what the phone number is. Thank you very much for your phone
All
call.
right, so
Appreciate
it's
it,
not
Brady.
me harassing you, buddy.
I didn't call you. So thank
No,
you
I
very
called
much.
you to have a conversation, but you're getting combative with me. There, he hung up. There you go. This is what we have. This is the tyranny that we have. They treat us like subjects of the crown, and we're their slaves. And this is what we got. You know what? What are we to do? What are we to do? Anyways, there's a lesson.